Hello and welcome back to Pama's Natural Tips. I'm sharing a powerful natural drink that will help you achieve a glowing skin, a younger, beautiful skin from the inside with this drink. This red beauty drink is packed with skin-loving ingredients like tomato, beetroot, and carrots. Stay with me and let's make this very rich beauty drink together. You need to get tomato, you need to get beetroot. You also need to get carrots. I'm listing them one after the other and also displaying it. You also need to get lemon juice. Yes, you also have to get honey. So what beetroot does is cleanse the blood to give you this very beautiful skin tone, natural glow, a pinkish glow. You will just love your skin, feeling so beautiful and looking beautiful. Carrot contains beta carotene. It smoothens the skin, face dull skin, anything dull skin. It evens the skin tone and make you glow beautifully. For the lemon juice, it's packed with vitamin C. It brightens the skin evenly and also fights pigmentation. Then for the tomato, very rich in lycopene. It slows aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, also protects against sun damage. You see why these ingredients are so important. Yes, honey will as well help to glow your skin. It protects your skin and heal the skin from the inside. And you know, when you take something from the inside, the result will be showing on the surface. Like your skin will look so healthy and beautiful. So this is how to prepare this, okay? When you get all these ingredients, wash it thoroughly. For the beetroot, you need to get half size of it. Like for example, you are making use of this one large size. We are making for 1 glass. You need half size. Cut it into 2 of beetroot, wash it thoroughly and peel it. Cut it into smaller size, transfer into your blender. Then for tomato, 1 large tomato size is okay. Cut as well, transfer into the blender. Then for the carrot, 1 large carrot is all you need for 1 glass. Cut it as well after washing it, transfer into the blender. Then for the lemon juice, 1 large, cut it open and squeeze the juice into the blender as well. Honey, just add 1 tablespoon. Honey is for sweetening as well. It will sweeten this drink. 1 tablespoon is all you need. Then you add just a little water. Warm water is preferably. Just a little to be able to blend properly. A glass. Then after that, you need to strain it out. And that is your drink. You see? Very easy, right? Very simple. This will clean you from the inside. Detox you. Flush away toxins. And make your blood very clean. The results will give you a very glowing skin, pinkish glow. You look younger. People will be wondering what you are using, and you tell them that this is the drink that you are making use of. Yes, you need to take it the way I will tell you soon. But before then, stay tuned. Do you need something that you can apply on your face, like to get rid of blemishes? Because as you are taking this, you also need to care for your skin on the surface. Whether you are caring for your skin on the surface or not, this drink will do a very good job. But there are some people that will request facial mask, facial scrub. Yes, now I'm sharing with you a very easy facial mask that you can apply on your face. Just get oat powder, get milk powder, then you get honey and turmeric. You need to add 1 tablespoon of oat powder into the bowl. Then you need to add 1 tablespoon of milk powder into the bowl. Then you need to add turmeric, just a pinch. Turmeric glows the skin, like the result is massive. Then for the honey, just few drops. Use rose water to mix until it forms a thick paste. Wash off all makeups and this. Apply it on it. You need to apply it and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then after that, use a lukewarm water to rinse out. Apply a light moisturizer. For those that don't have a specific moisturizer or a good skincare product, patronize us. We have very good skincare products for you, like Pami Skincare will shock you. You just look naturally beautiful without any side effects. Just contact us through that WhatsApp and you love it. So you have to use it 3 times weekly and you're all good. For the facial mask, 3 times weekly is all you need. As that drink is repairing from the inside, the one that you apply will be taking care of everything. It just looks so beautiful. For the drink, a glass a day, just 1 day, is all you need. You can decide to take it only at night. You can decide to take it in the morning. So Make yours and let me know how it goes on the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to Pama's Natural Tips and also give this video a like. Do not forget that. So do not forget to share to everyone so that they will learn how to care for their skin. This healthy drink is all you need to remain beautiful. This video will help you. Do not miss this video. You don't know if this is what you need. Like, seriously. Thank you. I will see you next time.